Are you looking for a simple and effective way to boost your health? Look no further than flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with incredible nutritional benefits that you won't want to miss out on. Here are 8 powerful reasons why you must incorporate flax seeds into your daily diet. Reason 1. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote a healthy heart and brain function. They can also reduce inflammation in the body. Reason 2. Flax seeds are a great source of fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. They can also help you feel full for longer, which is great for weight management. Reason 3. Flax seeds are high in lignans, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as breast and prostate cancer. Reason 4. Flax seeds are an excellent source of protein, making them a great addition to a plant-based diet. They can help you meet your daily protein needs and promote muscle growth and repair. Reason 5. Flax seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. They can also improve insulin sensitivity. Reason 6. Flax seeds are rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These nutrients are essential for healthy bones and teeth. Reason 7. Flax seeds contain compounds that may help improve skin health. They can reduce dryness, inflammation, and even acne. Reason 8. Flax seeds have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They can lower LDL cholesterol, or bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol. So there you have it, 8 powerful reasons why you must eat flax seeds every day. Add these amazing seeds to your daily diet and reap the incredible health benefits. Your body will thank you.